Hi friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in. So today we are doing our first of 3 different ghost pictures for Halloween. So we're doing 3 different types. This one is going to be a chalkboard sign. This came from the Dollar Tree as a chalkboard sign with a stand on it. They also make the ones that you could hang up. You could put magnets on it, put on your refrigerator, whatever you wanted. But this one, so we are going to do a countdown to Halloween sign. So this is going to be for my grandsons, and I'm going to do the ghosts on it, and then we'll use a paint pen and we'll do countdown to Halloween, and then we can use chalk and do the countdown. So on October 1st, we can do the 30 days, and then we'll count, we can erase it, count down. You can also use your Cricut and stencil countdown to Halloween, or cut it out in vinyl, whatever you want to do. Okay, so right now we're going to do the ghost. We got our chalkboard. I'm going to use a popsicle stick. Now this is fabric paint. Really, I should be using like puffy paint, but I have a whole set of puffy paint that apparently doesn't include black, so we're using fabric paint. And then this is the Dry Decks. This is heavyweight spackling, and I'm using the heavyweight because I want a lot of texture to it. And then it goes on pink, it dries white. I'm using a popsicle stick, which I may have to break. So my challenge with this one is just simply going to be because of, the wood. So being able to get in. Easy enough with the wood. I'll just break the popsicle stick, make it a little smaller. We'll see. We'll see how that goes. I might have to use some fingers. So I think I want to do my ghosts about halfway. Now with this one, I don't have to paint anything because it's already a chalkboard. So this is going to be a little bit more challenging to get my ghosts. Sorry, it is so hot out here that my phone turned itself off. I ended up just using my finger to do these ones on the bottom. Hopefully they, dry and look okay. I'm not sure if you see it because I'm not sure when the phone turned off, but so now we're just gonna go in and give them some eyes. All right, so we'll let this dry and then we'll go from there. All right, so here is our finished project. Now I used a chalk marker and just, you know, put my Halloween countdown, and I'll use regular chalk and just write my numbers, and then I can erase them as we go down. Again, you know, you could stencil it or, you know, do vinyl in your Cricut or cutting machine, whatever. But I think that it turned out super cute. This is a fun little decoration piece. It is a fun thing that you can make with your kids and just getting ready for Halloween. I hope you like it. I hope you guys have a blessed and beautiful day, and I'll see you later, friends. Bye.